Hey, so, I hope you had a nice Mother's Day. Look, I'm always honest, but sometimes I'm brutally honest, and this is going to be one of those times because there are just so many different issues that I'm dealing with, and it's overwhelming. I gotta emphasize, I need medical care. You may not realize that I am disabled, physically disabled, but I am. Okay? I need a procedure on my spine, and imaging, more imaging of my rotator cuff, but I also know, having been in California and gone to various orthopedists there, that there's something wrong with my rotator cuff and that I need rotator cuff surgery. And it's also something that they couldn't, provide an MRI, but the occupational therapist and the physical therapist told me as well that based off the muscles that they were feeling, that it seems like it's the rotator cuff. And also, the second MRI that actually could see past the metal in my body also said that the subcapularis, I'm not pronouncing that correctly, but that is a part of the rotator cuff. It's literally half the rotator cuff, and it indicated that had atrophied and was in need of medical attention. Not to mention, look, all of this stemmed from a car crash, right, on Labor Day 2017. And so I spoke with the attorney this week. That's one of the big things that happened this week. And I'm sure if this guy was my attorney, he would have figured this out and gotten me the settlement that I deserved. Which, even if this guy was 18 years old, which he was, and I think he had his license for 2 weeks, or he had the car for 2 weeks, I don't think he ever went to driver's ed. I should have his house, frankly. Somebody should have been aggressive and gone after his assets. His house is valued at $6 million. So let's say for between legal fees and everything else, I got $2.5 million. $2.5 million. Like, I would be able to buy this house right now, which my dad is about to put on the market if he hasn't already. I said I can't function because I'm disabled, as I mentioned. I'm not getting any disability. I can't work. Can't write, which is both my passion and something I want to make money off of. There's a legal statute of limitations that means in 2023 I can't sue the guy again after the settlement. So I was stuck with the $100,000 settlement that I got, and for that I had to give him my lawyer, who now I may sue for malpractice. And in terms of medical care, I don't even have pain medication at this time. No anti-inflammatories, no muscle relaxants, no painkillers. This is a nightmare, and I really need help. And I don't know why people aren't involving themselves